This is a big bugaboo with me. If you look at the defaults for many of these public cloud providers around the security defaults, they're set to everything being open. In fact, that was a huge issue a few years ago. It's getting a little better, but still they're not prioritizing security in ways that I think they should be prioritizing security. They're in essence trying to make moving applications and moving data into the clouds the path of least resistance. And obviously security is going to be an added complexity. So they're removing that complexity, but by removing that complexity, they're using open and exposed data and applications by default. That's unacceptable. Fourth, reliability needs more transparency and less marketing. Enterprises don't just need uptime. They need to understand dependencies, failure modes, and what resilience actually costs. If customers can't design around the real-world blast radius, they're not likely going to build resistant systems. They're just guessing. So, big thing in 2025, which many people didn't expect that we saw, three major outages, AWS, Microsoft, and Cloudflare. And people didn't expect those. And people didn't expect the blast radius that came from these reliability issues because in essence, the internet stopped because many of these systems that we may not even subscribe to, we may not even be an AWS customer, but when AWS went down, all of the systems that have dependency on AWS also went down. So half of the systems that we needed to work didn't work. We didn't understand the blast radius of those things. We didn't understand how to do resiliency planning. Now people are moving in, better, more responsible directions, but they're not necessarily moving as fast and as expeditiously as they should. And at the end of the day, they're just guessing. So public cloud providers, since they're in essence the problem here, they should partner with their customers, figure out how to deal with reliability and resilience, figure out how to not necessarily eliminate it. I know we can't eliminate risk, but reduce it as much as we can. Finally, reduce product sprawl.